Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Live Daily. I have a really special surprise for you guys. Clearly, as you can see, I have a new person here with me today. This is my brother. His name's Logan. Okay, so I have a super, extremely stupid high request from you guys today to do drag queen makeup, and he has been more than nice enough to allow me to borrow his face. All right, so we're gonna start off with priming the face with NYX Honey Do Me Up. It's really fun.
It got a little alcohol in it, so it might burn.
Oh, y'all, I don't know if there's alcohol in it. Okay, y'all, so after we've got the face primed, we can go ahead and go in with our specially picked out foundation today, which was NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat. Okay, so I had to go and wet my beauty blender real quick, so I'm just gonna take and dab this foundation on. Okay, so now we're about to brighten. We're about to brighten the underneath of the eyes and contour the face just a little bit with our NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Are you ready for this, sis? The first time you're ever gonna have your face contoured.
This is the first and last, bitch. Okay.
Okay, so once we have our face highlighted with our concealer, we are going to go ahead and go in with NYX HD Finishing Powder just to brighten that up. Okay, so now that we've brightened with just a little bit of banana powder, we're going to go into our Becca Bffs palette, and we are going to use the color Bestie Bronze to contour the face.
I thought doing shit out of paper bags and shit. What the fuck is this?
It's because I broke it and...
Yeah. I'm so...
Girl. Okay, y'all, so once we have the face bronze, we are going to go back into our Becca Bffs palette, and we are going to use the color... Yes, girl.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
Can you, like... I know this is not what you asked for in life, but you're about to be the world's most beautiful drag queen.
This is more like an everyday makeup look for boys, I would say. For everyday wear, if you know, going out to the store to pick up your little cereals and milk for your kids, or you staying in and expecting company.
Okay, so next we're going to take our highlighter by Too Faced called Canary Diamond, and yeah, we're gonna apply that to the cheekbones. Okay, y'all, so after we have gone in with our highlighter, we are going to go in with our brow and shape these eyebrows up just a little bit because we need to give him a girly arch. Okay, y'all, so for my base color, I'm gonna go in with this light pink called Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm going to just apply that all over the eye. Next, we're going to go in with this neon pink color right here called Skip, and that's going to go into the crease. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with this glittery color purple called Artistry, and we're going to put that on the eyelids after we conceal them. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go back in with this pink color and put it just underneath the eyes.
Oh, that is cute. This boy play kickball Russians.
Okay, we're
big
just gonna...
burnt broccoli back ass bitch. Biscuit back, Peruvian punk pepper smelling bitch.
Okay. We're just gonna take a makeup wipe and we are going to clean up these edges just a little bit. And we're going, for the underneath of the eyes, we're gonna use Maybelline Eye Studio. Okay, so after we have the bottom of our eyes lined, we are going to take Too Faced Better Than Sex, and we are going to wing the top of the eyes to correlate with this eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so next we are going to put on some false eyelashes.
I'm done.
We need to do some mascara first. Okay, y'all, so this is our look right here.
It's a look, bitch, period.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
And a special thanks to me because, you know.
And a special thanks to him because he let me put makeup on his face. Please subscribe and please feel free to share and like. Bye, guys. We'll be back later in the week for some fresh new content.